When I decided to test vintage housekeeping advice for Taryn Cleans It All, I knew I wanted to ask my followers on Instagram, what's your favorite old school cleaning tip? Far and away, y'all said that it was cleaning windows with newspaper. Now, I usually use microfiber cloths on my windows, but let's see how newsprint holds up. The reason newspaper is supposed to be so good at cleaning is because the fibers are really dense, it's free of any solids that might scratch your windows, and it's not going to leave lint behind like paper towels can do. Now there is a catch. You don't want to use a newspaper printed with an oil-based ink because that ink might come off and smudge your windows. The good news is that most newspapers today are printed with a soy-based ink. But there is a quick test you can do at home to tell. Just hold a piece of the newspaper between your thumb and index finger for about a minute, and if the ink comes off on your fingers, it's definitely going to come off on the windows. So the idea here is to clean the window just the same as you would with the cloth. Some people told me that they use vinegar or surgical spirits or Windex. I'm just going to use my regular glass cleaner. So you're going to bunch up the newspaper, spray the window, and then wipe it down. Let's see how it works. All right, this is working pretty well, better than I expected. All right, I think we can call this one a major success. So the lesson here is really support your local journalism, get a newspaper subscription, and you'll have clean windows forever.